Hi guys, this is Ryan Higgins from AffiliateToolsForYou.com, and thanks for taking the time to watch my Traffix Z review. Now, Traffix Z is it's a new and improved version of an earlier product called TrafficX Pro, and they're both put out by Mosh Bari and Jason Fulton. Now, Mosh Bari, I know well. I've seen many of his products over the years on Warrior Plus and JV Zoo, and they sell like crazy. They're very popular, and that's because he has a good reputation for making high quality products, and he definitely under promises and over delivers. Now, what I mean is most sales pages out there are very hyped up. They're promising you very unrealistic returns, like $1,000 in 2 days and things like that. But Mosh Bari, he tends to be more modest in his promises, and his products tend to work a lot better than the average apps and products out there. Okay, so he's promising you that with his app, you can essentially build on autopilot micro viral news sites, okay? And they will the app will build the content for you. So once you set it up, you can pretty much forget about it, and it will be building viral content based on trending topics on the net, and it will be embedding your links in that content, either going to your affiliate links or going to your email capture page. Excuse me. So that's the main idea behind it. And he tells you that with each one of these sort of micro viral news sites, you can get around $350 to $500 a month from each one. And with the front end version of this, you can build 10 of them. Okay. So that is really cool, because most of you, if you've been trying online marketing, you probably know one of the toughest things to deal with in the beginning is traffic, mainly because a lot of so-called free traffic isn't really free. It takes a lot of time and doesn't convert very well. And also a lot of paid traffic, if you don't know what you're doing, doesn't convert very well and just puts you deeply into debt. So in this Traffix Z review, I'm going to do a couple of things. First thing I'm going to do is just quickly go over the sales page, and then I'm going to talk a bit more in depth about what Traffix Z does, and then we'll take also a look at my bonuses. Actually, we'll take a quick look at those now, and then after that, I'll switch things around and show you guys a demo of Traffix Z. Now, in this Traffix Z review, it's important you remember that there are many ways you can use this application and this app. You can use it to build review sites or viral news sites. So there are a few different demos that you can see on different ways you can use it. So I'm going to put a general demo at the end of this video, but if you click through to my bonus page, you will see another video showing a demo on how to make a review video. So there'll be a couple different demos so you can see different ways that this app works and how you can use it. Okay, so guys, before we go any further, please know that I've put together custom bonuses for Traffix Z. So if you do decide to get Traffix Z through my review video, you should click the link below and check out the bonus page. Now, these are custom bonuses that you can't get anywhere else. They're not general bonuses. These are bonuses that have been put together specifically for Traffix Z. A lot of other affiliate marketers out there, they're just whipping together a bunch of cheap PLR bonuses which aren't really relevant to the product that you're getting. But the bonuses I have put together here, they are very relevant to Traffix Z. Okay, so if we scroll down, bonus number 1, I put together a tutorial for you, a hack on how to get free traffic from YouTube. The reason I put this bonus in, guys, is because this is for people who want free traffic. Okay, So if you want free traffic, I can give you some additional easy free traffic sources that you can use to make even more money while using TrafficZ or TrafficZ. And we look down here, we also have how to rank YouTube videos in 2020 for TrafficZ. Okay. Now in this, I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get your videos not only to the top of YouTube, but also to the top of Google. And if you look up some of my previous reviews, you'll see that many of them I get into Google. So these methods really do work, and you definitely want to be using them for your review videos, which you can be using to get tons of extra traffic going to your money sites along with TrafficZ. Okay. And next we have bonus number 3 for TrafficZ, and how to create your first review. Okay, this is for review videos. I'm going to go over how to structure it and how to use bonuses and things like that. Bonus number 4 for TrafficZ is how to get a large Facebook following, because this is another great source of free traffic, and again, free traffic that can convert really well. Okay, and number 5, TrafficZ for Fiverr. Here I'm going to show you guys how to set up your first design gig on Fiverr. And this will help you with TrafficZ because you can drive tons of traffic to your Fiverr page in addition to your other money pages. And there's a really cool hack on how you can actually design logos and things for people and without using any of your time and without spending any money. So it's basically like an extra way to make some free money. And of course, there are all of the vendor bonuses. Now, everybody else is giving away the same vendor bonuses, all right? And these are available within the members area of TrafficZ. But to get my bonuses above, when you order either on JVZ or Warrior Plus, this one's on Warrior Plus, when you go to access your purchase, there'll be a blue button underneath that I've circled here. You just click on that, and that will take you straight to my custom bonuses that I've put together for you. Okay, so guys, TrafficZ, after taking a look at it and trying it out, it's really impressive, guys. Last year, I had bought a product from Mosh Bari called TrafficX Pro, which is really excellent, and I highly recommend it, and I liked it a lot. And it pretty much did the same thing. But TrafficZ is 10 times better because you don't need your own WordPress page, okay? They give you the hosting and they give you the domain, all right? So all you need to do is when you get the front end of this is to basically follow the instructions, follow the tutorials, and just set up the app, okay, to run. You put in the keywords that you want, you put in your links, and you put in basically some programming that will help it decide which viral articles to pull and put on your site, which you'll see in the demo, which I will show to you guys very soon. All right. So I'm going to go through now to some notes I made on my bonus page where I explained to you guys all of the basically the one-time offers. Okay, there are several upsells to TrafficX Pro, sorry, to TrafficZ. They don't tell you about on the sales page. So like I said earlier, for the front end, it's $19 one-time payment, and that will give you access to the app, and you can build 10 viral sites with that. And again, these sites will update themselves automatically. That's what makes this so valuable, because the biggest problem, guys, if you've ever tried blogging, is keeping it updated and finding the most relevant viral content to get traffic, because that's how this gets traffic for you guys. It's basically taking the hottest viral news that everybody is searching for and putting it onto your site, okay? And you're getting the traffic to your links that way. Of course, it's a lot of work to be finding the news, so this app does all of that for you. Now, you can only use that 10 times, so if you want unlimited, You can pay $27 per month for the unlimited edition, or $197 per year. If you pay per year, obviously you're saving a lot of money. Of course, a lot of people are always hesitant to shell out that amount of cash in one payment. So you can just pay $27 per month. So if you want to become a super affiliate, this is probably the easiest way to do that. You just pay $27 per month, and you can have an unlimited amount of sites producing by themselves an unlimited amount of content and getting an unlimited amount of traffic, and therefore an unlimited amount of sales. Okay, this will save you a lot of time and money. And again, you can you can get up to $500 per month per little site that you build with these. Upsell number 2 are the done-for-you money machines, and that costs $197. So that definitely is, higher ticket. And they just do everything for you. They set up the sites for you. You don't have to do anything, okay? And you just allow your TrafficZ to run, and they set up everything for you. So you don't even have to set up the sites on TrafficZ. They do it all, okay? And they're going to set up 20 hot money-making sites that are proven to generate commissions and make you money using untapped niches. This is probably the best part of it. They're going to research niches using their experience. Now, Mosh and Jason, they make $100,000 a month. So these guys really know what they're doing. So if they know how to find untapped niches and put them on your site, it's just amazing. I can't wait to upgrade to this myself. Okay. Upsell number 3 is the 100x conversion booster, where they're going to use some hidden secrets and a hidden package that they can add to your app, which will ensure your pages convert and generate sales like crazy. All right. So that's probably a pretty worthwhile investment. I didn't try it out. I just got my review access now. But I would definitely like to try that out. And like I said, these guys, they deliver high quality stuff, so it's probably very good. Upsell number 4 is the $1,000 paydays package. That's for $77, and you can get a downsell for $67. And they'll show you additional secret methods to generating multiple $1,000 paydays using one simple technique that nobody else is talking about. Upsell number 5, automated affiliate profits, also $67, $57 downsell. And this is basically hands-free commissions and done-for-you funnels, all right? And they're going to build for you basically the best converting affiliate funnels out there that you can get, and to help you build your lists. So it's perfect for newbies, but also for experienced people who are doing several projects at once, right? You can just hire these guys out to set up these additional funnels for you. I don't see how you would need that, to be honest, if you get the other 2. It seems a little bit like, superfluous, to be honest. But if you guys got the money to spend, you could always check it out. The last one, I think, is probably the best one of all. They give you the license rights where you can resell TrafficX Pro as your own and get 100% commissions through the whole funnel. And they're giving it to you guys for $77 as the high ball and $67 as the downsell. I've never seen a funnel sold for such a low price before. So if you guys want to try out, reselling an entire funnel, this is probably a golden ticket right now, because usually you're paying $100, $200 or more to get somebody's complete funnel from the previous reviews that I've been doing, and also from the previous products that I bought. So I think that's probably the best deal out of all the other upsells, to be honest with you. Okay, so some key benefits to remember, right? You can send buyer traffic to any link of your choice. You can choose whatever links. Scale to super affiliate status easily. Works in any niche. it's set and forget, right? So it's a self-updating and traffic sucking machine. And it's working with the most trendy content out there. It's a cloud-based app, so you can access it from any device. There are no extra costs. That means you do not have to pay for hosting. You do not need to buy a domain name. They give it to you. And I think that's the best part of it, because in the past, a few years ago, that's what kept me from trying these things out, was that I didn't have time to build a website on WordPress, okay? So that is really cool, okay? Definitely worth trying out on the front end for the $19.95 one-time payment. And I have another demo video which I'll add here after, once I get that together. And yeah, that's it, guys. We've looked at the front end. We looked at the one-time offers. We looked at the sales page. I explained to you how it worked. And we did look at bonuses. Make sure to check those out in the link below. These are probably the best bonuses you'll find for this, because like I said, everybody else is giving away pretty much usually the same bonuses, but I'm going to give you those bonuses plus my custom bonuses, which I've shown you here, which will help you to get even more traffic and more money out of this app. So now let's take a look at the demo video that I put together so you can have a look at how this app works from the inside. Just keep in mind there are different ways of using this app. So this will be a more general demo. And if you go to my bonus page, I'll have another demo showing a different way that you can use the app once I get that up. Okay, so just hang in there, guys. If you don't see the video on this page yet, it will probably be there by the end of today. So let's start the demo. Okay, guys, let's start. We'll log in here. See, everything's empty. And we'll go to the campaigns area. And we'll have to configure our campaign. And we'll pick a viral keyword, which would be COVID-19. And we'll choose the language, English, go to the settings. And here we're going to configure some code, which they show you how to do in the free tutorials that come with this, which will grab the content from different sources online. And we'll click Save. And add in here as well. Okay, set the settings again, save everything. Now we're going to go to eBay and we're going to add keywords to fetch affiliate links and product links from eBay, which will then be embedded in the blog content that's being generated automatically. Now you got to save here, only item presentation. I clicked OK. Now I'm going in settings again. I want to uncheck active, save settings, and copy another short code in here, and which I have to paste back into the main campaign. This is what allows the affiliate links to appear in the content. So under this text here, we'll add the short code. And we'll add that in here. And then save it. And this will make sure that all those eBay ads are added in my content. And now we need to set up a keyword replacement rule. So we'll go to settings, add the keyword coronavirus. Now it's loaded. And we've set it up so that if the content has coronavirus in it, any link that I want will be embedded automatically in that content. And as you can see, the content is quite nice here. It's all with videos and blog posts, and you get tons of posts automatically populated. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's it. You can collect leads with this as well, but I haven't had time to really explore that. But you can see lots of beautiful content. Great for capturing leads and promoting whatever products you want. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you guys later.